Al-Merreikh ni match yawe ya mbere muri shampiyona. Ese uko mwari mwayiteguye niko mwayibonye cyangwa hari icyo batinye?
Uko twari tuyiteguriye niko twayibonye. Twari tuzi ko ari equipe isaba abakinnyi bakuru, isaba abakinnyi bakomeye. Rero twakinye nibo twari twateguye, twankesheje amagori twari gushobora kurevita, ariko uravye muri rusangi abasore banje match kuko twari twayiteguye niko twayikinye, kandi na equipe ko twari tuzi ingene bakina, experience y'abakinyi bafise niko twabisanze.
Muri match icyenda mumaze gukina muri saison, usibye match ya AS Muhanga ndetse na match ya AS Kigali no hantu nabo igitego, handi hose mwagiye mu soza match mudatsinze igitego. Ikibazo ni kihe kugeza kuri ubu ko mwongeye mu bamwe mu bakinyi babafasha gusatira?
Abakinnyi twongeye muri bande
Sanja Buraya
twaratanguranye shampiyona. No kuvuga ikibazo ni kuvuga ko twongeye mu kongeramo, no kuvuga aho tugeze twari tukibaza gukina match zingahe tukongeramo abandi, ariko abo dufise nibo twatanguranye shampiyona. Umukinyi twongeyemo tumaze gutangura shampiyona, no vuga ni mu defenseur no mu mediateur, ariko abandi bose twari tubafise bari kuri liste yase papre twaratanguranye shampiyona.
Coach, navuga ko mu experience ya mbere yo gukina n'amakipe muri Sudan mu rwego rwa competition, abantu baravuga bati amakipe arakomeye, noneho ayo mu Rwanda zajya bijya, ariko noneho nk'umuntu ubonye experience Elimele bayibonye mwakinye, ese abantu bavuga ibyo ngibyo bafite ishingiro cyangwa sibyo?
Nibaza yuko ni equipe nkuko babivuga bifise ishingiro, kuko ni equipe zivuye mu marushanwa yo muri Afrika. Ni Al Hilal iracyari kwirakina, El-Merreikh naho yabaye elimine, ariko ni equipe ubona bubatse ko ari equipe ya competition, ni equipe ifise abakinyi ba experience. Uravye mu kibuga twakinye, ariko urabona yuko ari experience bafise abakinyi ingene bakina. Uravye muri match baronse occasion zose baronse nizo batsinze, ko na occasion nyinshi zari ziri muri match, ariko urabona ko bafise abakinyi bari machuwa ma individualité. Urabona twagerageje kuba kontena. Je novuga yuko twakinye match nziza, ariko nkuko mubivuga nabakinyi bafise abakinyi bakora ikinyuranye, bagifise experience, no kuvuga ni equipe zikomeye zizodufasha natwe guprogressa. Nibaza yuko muri shampiyona zizoba zigoye gukina.
Umutoza ikipe wari wagejeje kuyihindura kizo rusanzwe ubanzamo ndetse na rutayizamu Brian na New David, igitekerezo cyane giye kuri zira changement. Ikindi cya kabiri nabwire muri izi match n'ubwo ni standard ufite mu match 3, wa gatanu Kenya Gasogi burakinye, wa kane kuri gukine, ibyo uraza kubimanaginga gute?
Uravye no guturna effectif, no kuvuga uravye Kedi naniyo nabakinyi bakinye match nyinshi, bakina baje no muri equipe y'igihugu barakina. No kuvuga uravye kuri match ya Gasogi hari hageze yuko tugira amalternance n'abandi bakine, kugira fraîcheur physique ibihari. Nico gituma ubona twashoboye guhindura abakinyi bamwe kugira dushobore kubasimbuza abandi, kuko nkuko bivuze ku kibazo cya kabiri ndabigireko. Twebwe nibaza yuko tuzoba turi mu equipe dukinye match 3 mu minsi 7. Urumva ni ibintu bigoye, nta mwanya wa recuperation hari. Ejo twakoze entraînement imwe tushadukina match, ejo hari match ngaha tuzosora dukore entraînement imwe, dufise indi match kuwa kane. Nibaza yuko no kugerageza tukaraba tukarterna abakinyi, ariko tukagumana equilibre ya equipe. Nkuko uravye nk'abakinyi nkuko twari twabitekereje, tukinye na equipe nkuru, kandi ndavye ngene twakinye nabi.
Coach, yefa ni kubona ano makipe ya Sudan agiye kongera kuri Premier League y'u Rwanda, hanyuma ubona amakipe yo mu Rwanda by'umwihariko bizayasaba nk'igihe kimwe kugira ngo abe ayageze kuri ya calibre mwana compete mwize itsinzi?
Nibaza yuko nitwakina match zingahe abantu bakabamenyera nabo ntibazotsinda match zose, hazogira match bazotsindwa nabo. Ubu baracyari bashasha, no kumenya imikinire yabo. Twebwe icyo kintu cyatugoye, ukamenya nk'ama ekipa azokina nko kuri journée ya gatanu, bizo bari bamaze kumenyera, bamaze kubona ahantu bashobora kumenera. Nibaza yuko iyi shampiyona cyangwa phase retour ntizogera abantu bataratangura kumenyerana. Ni ekipe zikomeye, dutegerezwa natwe kwiadapta. Hariyo ekipe ngaha mu Rwanda zifite ubushobozi bwo guhangana nazo mu kurekrita abakinyi bashobora gukora difference nabo nka kujya nyene. Nibaza yuko bazotuma natwe dushobora kwiadapta n'abandi babona ingene bakina cyangwa ingene bategura n'abandi bagakomereza.
Coach, ndagaruka ku mukinnyi Cedric ushize nk'umukinnyi mukuru wa experience, ushize kuri match ya Gasogi wamukuyemo asohoka ubona atishimye avuga amagambo menshi, n'uyu munsi kumukuramo agafata Basara akayikubita hasi. Umuntu akibaza umukinnyi nk'uyu uri muri aje nk'iye, management irimo iroroha ukibona akenshi iyo ushoboye atabyishimira, management imeze gute hagati yawe nawe na kuri group isigaye abakinnyi?
Nibaza yuko ni umukinnyi mukuru, ni umukinnyi amaze kugira experience, ni umukinnyi afise novuga ashaka gukina match yose, ashaka kugira iki, afise na nani yo gushaka kubona iyo bintu byanse, ariko rimwe na rimwe bikaba ngombwa yuko tumukuramo kubera suiva n'ingene tuba dushaka gukina bitandukanye nkuko tuba twatangiye gukina. Management yiwe tuzoyijera, tugiye kuyijera muri group nkuko mwabivuze. Ni ibintu bidashimishije, ariko ku muntu mukuru afise na experience, ariko nibaza yuko nta kintu kidasanzwe. Nibaza yuko tuzoshobora kubijera muri equipe.
Coach, wakoze impinduka muri Axe kuramo rwabuye yumvizamo Ecom, Tacticoma washakaga gukora iki? Ikindi unaduhe update kuri Joseph Lama, umukinnyi wavuye muri Power Dynamos, yinjira muri Swadi. Ese ntabwo fitness ye iraza mu buryo yajya mu kibuga? Twabonye ko nko kuri gatandatu wese uhagarura Ubukuru Christophe yarishuye imeze gute?
Nibaza yuko na Placide ari mu bakinnyi bakinnye ama match menshi. Twashitse muri mita aravuga ati coach, numva ntanguye uburuhe buriko burinjira, ndavuga ati nta risk twofata kuri match, nicyo gituma umwe twamusimbuye ntiyababaye, ariko no kuvuga umukinnyi we yiyumva ko mu mubiri uburuhe butanguye kuza. Hama kucerekeye Joseph n'umukinnyi mwiza, n'umukinnyi genzi muri championnat, n'umukinnyi nabonye. Nibaza yuko nkuko bivuze nta match fitness afise, ntaza afise, no kubanza agakora cyane, ariko n'umukinnyi ndi sûr ko azodufasha cyane muri squad kuko afise amakarite menshi, afise icyo azodufasha, azokongera muri style doje yacu cyangwa muri equipe. Nibaza yuko muri rusange nivyo, nibaza yuko match zikurikira tugiye kuzitegura mu sequence.
Umutoza, ikibazo cya nyuma, umutoza ugerageza kwimunya mu bihe biba bikomeye amakipe yacu anyuramo hano, ndetse bikaba byatanga umusaruro. Uwo uri kuvuga ko mwebwe nk'ikipe mwagerageje gukina, ariko ibyanyu byose murabita ku buyobozi. Ubu bimeze bite? Nta kibura ku buyobozi ku buryo byabongerera wenda hakagaragara imbaraga zirenze iz'uyu munsi?
Ibyo tuzobona kuri match kurikira, reka tubanze tumike.
Good club, good football here, and good clubs and quality. What you have here, it will not be easy, but we will give our best.
Winning outside of the country with the big fans, but in different areas because of the situation in Sudan. What is the meaning? What the message you send to them, all those people?
As I said, you know, that we will try to repeat all the time, just because of our people and our feelings, and you know, with our country, actually in Sudan. You know what happened, and this team is a long time out of the country. It's not easy to be all the time somewhere and playing in some competitions and enjoying that, but especially because you have family far from you, and because that is most important for us and for them to win and give some happiness to our people.
A question for the coach? Yes.
Coach, in the last season you was here and now you are here and you won your first match. There is any difference?
Yes, there are some difference because I saw some teams here and I compare. Because we are here around 3 weeks and I saw some teams, I saw some matches and I compare from last year and I saw that some difference in quality. For example, I think that Kiovu is much better than last year. He has a much better team and they know what they have to do exactly, and you saw that in first, I don't know how many rounds the opponent didn't score a goal against them, and you also, of course that you have some other clubs who lost some qualities, some quality players, and they are in they decrease their quality, but also you have, as I said, some clubs like Kiovu and Appier. Also, I think Appier did a good market and brought some very good players with good physicality, good technical quality, and they are stronger than last year. And you can see it against, for example, against Ryan.
Mr. Coach, it's Julius for Premier League. You are with the El Merreikh last season. You were with FC. After coming back in Rwanda, do you think if you are still in the LFC, competing in the El Merreikh and Al Hilal, would you still have a lot of chances to win the league like last season?
Do you want my real answer? Do you want for me to speak true or?
You can.
If I'm in Appier, 20 points in front of all with this team of Appier. No, of course that you know, average single matches here is different, and you know, it's not easy to compare. Sometimes you have a lot of details, a lot of obstacles in front of you, a lot of things in. No, when play Merreikh and Appier, it will be different match than today. When play Hilal, Merreikh different, or Hilal against Kiovu, we against anyway Musanze, all the time something different. At the end, we will see on the table. I hope that we will be in between top clubs. I cannot estimate points and who will be first, second, third, but I hope that Merreikh will be somewhere on the top.
Alors, écoutons Nicolas. Quelle joie de prendre 3 points au premier match avec la joie des fans comme ça. Comment c'était, comment vous analysez le match en général?
Ok, merci beaucoup. Pour la situation pour le match, c'était trop facile, trop difficile. Mais le premier match, tous les joueurs Al Merreikh donnaient maximum, mais les adversaires, c'est des good players. Mais merci de montrer pour la victoire, pour le match. C'est tout.
Comment vous avez trouvé le Rwanda en général? Comment vous vous sentez ici à Kigali?
Rwanda, c'est très bon. Et le Brésil, c'est très bon.
L'objectif, comme l'équipe, quel est l'objectif de la saison?
L'objectif de la saison, c'est gagner le championnat Rwanda. C'est ça l'objectif.
Last question for the coach.
Yeah. Thank you, coach. I just want to ask you, when you see the El Merreikh in the pitch, they are doing the best build up for getting the conclusion of setting the goals. It's somehow hard for you. What are you going to do for your strikers to get the goals in the air match?
But it's not only today. Our problem starting from Appier from beginning, but you know, you ask me the same question last year with Appier all the time, the same question about goals. At the end, Appier 2 goal titles and scored almost 50 goals, I think 47 or 48. And I don't see a big problem for us. Most important that this club, this team play on result. Doesn't matter. It will be 1-0 or 2-0 or 5-0. Most important 3 points all the time. And my team has to play on result. That's it. At the end, we count only points.
Okay.
And good for Rwandan football to see us here, and also good for us to be here. You can see different kind of players like Nicolas, like I don't know, some Chizalas from Zambia or from Mali, Burkina, some different players than you have from before, and it's good for all of us to be here and play football play this competition in Rwanda.
Thank you, coach.
Thank you.
Good evening.